what's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage. We're out here heading to the creek. I brought along my homemade bed liner backpack sluice. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for the first time. This is well, I apologize for the wind first, but this is a newly discovered area. It's my second time out here for the day, but I haven't been out here prior to that. And I was doing some test panning and wasn't finding much until I got into the right area. And I was finding about 2 to 3 colors per pan. So I thought that was pretty good. So we're gonna give it another shot. Down that way through the trees over there's the creek. And we're gonna have to, well, I don't know where, we'll have to find our way through here. Looks like a good place. Alrighty. Easier than last time. So when we get set up down there, we'll be back with you. Nice. Alright, we'll get back with you. Alright, we're running the bed liner sluice. Had to make me a little dam there, because this requires a lot of water flow. But it is exchanging. So I got me a pan of material here. Let you see it go through there. But it does require a hefty flow of water. But it all moves through there pretty good. So, I guess it's just limited where you can use this thing at. I got a pretty good channel of water coming through here, so I couldn't use it in anything smaller than this creek. But it is doing pretty good. You can hear the gravels running down through there, clinking on the bottom. They're flowing pretty good through there. Well, maybe we'll catch something. Did a few test pans over there and seen a couple little flakes. Nothing real big. So we'll run this out. And we'll clean it out and see if we get anything. Alright, I think we got a winner. Alright, pretty nice down here. One of the nicer days we're going to have here in Ohio, so we got to get out and enjoy it. Well, not sure if you're able to see that in there, but there's a little speck in about the center of the screen. And, well, I had another piece in there. Right in the middle of the screen there's a little piece, and right here's another little piece in the middle of the screen. A lot of black sands. Well, might move locations or go look around and test pan some more. Not too bad. This is kind of a little split off on a high gravel deposit here in the bank. Right there's the rest of the river, and we're actually on the inside bend, so I'll just go ahead and scoop up some material here on the side of me and just run it through here and let you guys check it out. Everything's flowing through it pretty good. I'm not even having to clear this end out down here. It's just blowing it right out. We'll run a few scoops through here and let you guys check it out. It'd be great if I could come up with a little flare attachment on the end so I don't have to worry about building up a dam. Maybe like an oversized flare or something that King uses on their A52. That'd be an ideal. Well, that's the first rock I put in there. It didn't move. Oh, there it goes. Yep, out here in Ohio, we only have limited amount of warm weather left, so gotta make do with what we got. It's about 60, 67 out today. And that sure is a drop from what we're used to. Well, I'd be dang. I turn the camera on and I get rocks stuck in here. Any other time that thing would go flying through there. Just like that. I don't know if you can see, but if you look close enough, you can see an exchange in there. It's not nothing too crazy, but just enough for what you need, I'd imagine. I haven't cleaned the box out yet, but I'm going to do that next after I run a little bit more material through. Should at least find a little bit of color in there, because I did actually empty this bucket I'm sitting on. I emptied it in there. It had some of my concentrates in it, and it had a little bit of gold in it, so we'll see if it held it or not. I think it should have. There's a lot of black sands out in this area, that's for sure. Got a little walking trail up there. I've seen a few people walk by, look down at me like I'm crazy. Don't know what I'm doing down here. That's okay. We might pull this up out of here, dump it in the pan and see what we got. Maybe we'll have to move locations. I'd hate to, because I already have a little dam started here, but see like a nice little gravel bar right there. I'm not sure what that's all about. Might have to go check that out. Got some nice big rocks way over there. Pretty crazy out here. Definitely gold though. Definitely gold. Alright, let me pull this box out of here and empty it out in my pan, and we'll get back with you. See what we have. Well, I'm doing it a little different this time. I think you can handle a lot of stuff through it, so we're loading it up, digging right behind it and throwing it through. See what we can find. Hopefully a nugget. I don't care. It's taking it, and it's keeping clean. It's holding on to the black sands. Oh. Well, now I gotta clean the end of it, because I'm really feeding it. But I think it's handling it fine. It's still got plenty of exchange. Crazy thing, I was digging right there, and look what I found. Somebody's tackle box. And it's full of muck. But you know, I think there's something good in there, so we're going to hold on to that. We're going to keep that until the end of the video and look in there, because we're busy right now. Maybe there's a silver dollar in there. I doubt it, but you never know. That was an odd find. Just picked it right up out of my hole. Must have floated down the river. I'm going to keep feeding this thing like it's starving or something, I guess. Real hard packing here. Clay balls and whatnot. Just gonna keep scooping it through. As long as it looks like it's handling it, I'm gonna feed it. Alright. Cool.